Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to deposit a check on Cash App using the photo deposit features. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your phone and log into your account. Next, tap your balance in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Scroll down and select checks. On the deposit checks, your checks page, tap continue. Enter the check amount and make sure it matches the amount written on the front of the check. Confirm the amount for both the front and back of the check. Take a clear photo of the front of your check by tapping the camera button. Once done, repeat the same process to take a photo of the back of your check. Images are captured, tap submit. If the check details match the information you entered, the funds will usually be available within 1 or 3 business days. If you don't see the checks option, this means the features isn't available for your account yet. Try updating your apps, and if it still doesn't appear, check out other deposit methods. You have successfully deposited a check on Cash App's via photo. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.